Okay, so I'm all done now with the CNC carving. That's the machine's all shut off, but now I'm ready to do some of the next part of the project, the Making Cool Things project. So I have the four different things that I'm going to be finishing up, which the next part of the project is not CNC. It's all handwork. It's all going to be just me and my hands doing this whole thing. So we're going to move on to doing the finishing, painting. I got a little bit of I don't know what you call it, carving, hand carving, but I'm not carving. I'm really just sanding and a little bit of work with some Riffler files and things like that, just to dress them up a little bit, make them look a little bit less machined, if you will. But they are going to be machined, and I don't hide that fact. But there's still, a lot of work left to do on them, which is going to be leading up to the painting, which is, to me, I like the painting. I think it's cool. I like the CNC. I like this part too. So anyways, let's move on to do some of the finished detailed stuff.
Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. I'm losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong, with no sense of consequence or strength to carry on. The day breaks in the darkest places right before the dawn. If you ever lie awake with situations in your mind, and you try to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by, you're losing track of time. You're losing track of time. Sometimes love is a reason to hold on, blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues can take away my stride. we'll be doing fine. Just losing track of time. Just losing track of time.
All right, so we just finished up the sanding and a little bit of detailing on the Green Man Wizard, and the Flower Maiden. And I popped up a bunch of pictures of finished painted stuff because I don't know yet how I'm going to finish it off. So the ones, those little images that I showed up along the way are kind of guidelines that I'm going to follow when I get to the next stage. So the next one that I'm going to finish the detailing on, we'll do a little bit more detailing on the rooster. So here we go with finishing off the rooster. So here's the rooster.
Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. My shirt, wearing the skirt that my mother gave to you. I come up behind you and kiss on the side of your neck a few, and turn off the lights. The stars in the sky are turning so clear, and without the words, the feelings unheard can still be just as sincere. But something's not right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Without any shoes on, and holding my hand to spin you around, and I sing you a song, and taking a breath like taking yourself to the hospital, and I feel okay, almost the same, but I know I'm not healed, and something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Okay, now that the rooster is all finished up, and we're gonna move on to the final stage of the process of making cool stuff, which is painting cool stuff. Some people don't like to paint, but I kind of like painting. It's creative, it's artistic, it's colors, and yeah, I like that kind of stuff. So let's go on. Let's follow up the painting, which is going to be the next video. Unfortunately, I have to cut this one short, and you can get to watch it. And next video is going to be all about the painting. So, see you next time. Bye bye.